Hi, I'm Anya. Welcome back. Today, you're coming with me to a restaurant, and we are going to order food in English. Yes, real-life English that you can use when you go out to eat. Let's get started.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Food Garden. Table for one?
Yes, just for me, please.
Right this way. Here's your table. Would you like the menu?
Yes, thank you. Also, could I have a glass of water, please?
Sure, I'll be right back.
Let's take a look at the menu together. Starters, main course, and drinks. Under starters, I see garlic bread, tomato soup. In mains, vegetable pasta, and Thai curry. I think I'll go with vegetable pasta and a fresh lime soda.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'll have the vegetable pasta, please.
Would you like it spicy or mild?
Medium spicy, please. Also, can I get a fresh lime soda?
Sure. Would you like it sweet or salty?
Salty, please. And could I get some chili flakes on the side?
Absolutely. Your order will be ready shortly.
This pasta is really good. And the lime soda is so refreshing. Excuse me, do you have any desserts?
Yes, we have chocolate brownie, ice cream, and fruit salad.
I'll take the brownie, please. Warm, if possible.
Would you like it with vanilla ice cream?
Ooh, yes. That sounds perfect. Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
Card, please. And everything was wonderful, thank you.
Thank you for visiting. Have a nice day.
Let me share a tip with you. Always be polite. Use phrases like could I have, please, and thank you. See? I used I'll have, can I get, would you like? These are polite and easy ways to order food in English. When you eat out, try describing your food in English. This is delicious. It's a bit too spicy. The sauce is creamy. It tastes fresh. Speaking like this helps build vocabulary naturally. So that's how I ordered food in a restaurant using English. It may feel scary at first, but with practice, you'll get better. Try using these phrases next time you go out, or even just practice them at home. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real English with me. See you in the next video.